Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another video. My name is Miss Abby and today we are going to be looking at rhyming words. So, can you guys tell me what rhyming words are? Okay, very good. If you could not tell me what rhyming words are, here is a definition. So our definition says two or more words that do not start with the same sound, but they end with the same sound. So for example, we have cat and bat. So they don't have the same beginning sound, but they have the same ending sound. So cat and b-a-t, right? And these would be examples of short vowel A words, right? So I'm gonna put our definition up here so you guys can see it while we're going through everything. So what you guys are gonna need for this activity is a piece of paper, like I have here, and then I actually have a graphic organizer that I can put my rhyming words onto. If you want to, you could just use a regular piece of paper, that is totally fine. And a writing utensil such as a pencil, pen, marker, crayon, whatever you guys have. And we are gonna get started. So I'm gonna roll my dice and I'm gonna tell you which side of the dice is up so we can start our rhyming words. So this is called rhyme and roll. And again, like I said, I'm gonna roll the dice and we are going to discuss afterwards whichever word we get. And these are all going to be long A words. So the first word that I got is the word sail, but sail is a long A word. We can all agree on that, right? So we're gonna write on our paper the word sail. So I am going to write the word. And we know a few different words, but we're gonna come back to it, okay? So now let's roll another word. Make. So we got the word make. So that's a long A word as well, but it's an A-E word. Crate is the next word I got. So C-R-A-T-E, crate. The next word I got is pale. So here is where it's getting a little tricky. So here are my words, right? And pale, even though it's not spelled the same, it still has that same ending sound, right? So pale and sail are rhyming words. Now I'm gonna put it up above here. If you're doing it downwards, that's fine too. But I'm just gonna put it in the same column that sail is in because they rhyme. Okay, chain. So here's one word. So we have chain. Our next word is tray. T-R-A-Y. And then finally, oops, let's see. We have make. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So these are the long A words that we are going to be practicing. So right now I want you guys to write these words down if you haven't already, and I will hold them up for you. You can pause the video here, and I want you to come up with at least two other words. So we already have sail and pale, so you just need one more word for this one. But I want you guys to come up with two more words for tray, chain, crate, make, and sail and pale. So pause the video right here and we will come back and discuss what words we chose. All right, boys and girls, so I am back with my words and I can't wait to see what words you guys came up with. So in 3, 2, one, I want to see your rhyming words. Show them up to the camera. Nice, very nice. So here are my words that I came up with, and we're gonna go through each of mine. You can go through each of yours as well. See, maybe make a little star or circle the words that you and I both have written for our rhyming words. So let's go to this first column. We had sail and pail already, and the word I chose to put for our third word is trail. Now, trail, pail, and sail. Trail and sail are spelled the same, right? They have the A-I, but pail has a and then a consonant and then an E. But even though they still make that same word, or the same sound, excuse me, they both have L's in them, and you get that same sound at the end. Because remember, in our definition, if we look, two or more words that don't start with the same sound, but they end with the same sound. So they don't start with the same letter combinations, but they end with the same sound, right? Okay, now let's look at our second column. We have make, and then I have cake and take. Make, cake, take. So all three of these words have the ache ending sound, but they all have a different beginning sound, right? That's what makes them different words. So very good. Let's look at this third column. So this third column, we had crate, then I had late and state. Let's look at chain. So chain, this is one that's kind of similar to the first one that we did, which was sail, but chain actually has the same what, boys and girls? AI, right? AI. AI and A consonant E, they're pretty much the same sounding word, right? So I have chain, lane, that's similar to what? Pail over here, and rain. So chain, lane, and rain, they all have that same ending sound, but they have a different beginning sound. And we see that A and a consonant E kind of has the same sound as AI and an ending letter, right? So that's a good tool to use when you guys are looking at these words that are spelled with an A and I, or A and a consonant and an E. Let's look at our last one. This one's tray. And then we have clay and say. And again, similar, they all have different sounding beginnings and the same sounding endings, right? So I'm gonna take this a step further, and these words that we started with, which is tray, chain, crate, make, and sail, and we are going to write some sentences. So you can number your paper, flip it over, and we're gonna number it 1 through 6. 5 and 6, like this. And what we are gonna do, again, we're gonna pause the video, and I am going to go off camera, write my sentences. You guys are gonna do the same thing, and then we'll come back and see what sentences we made. So this is a good tool to use for your sight words as well. Some of these may even be some of your sight words, just to get you focused on how the words will be used in sentences or in real life when you're reading a book or a story or a paragraph that your teacher gives you. So I'm going to pause the video, you guys are going to pause the video, and we are going to write our sentences. I hope you guys had a fun time doing that activity. Let me know, and I will see you all in another one of my videos, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, boys and girls.